How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin. As of right now, the crypto market is up like crazy. You're seeing green just about across the board. And throughout this week, our Trade Confident trading account has moved up $12,938. Insane profit that we're in. But with that, bearish signs are coming into the market. And as a trader, you need to know exactly what these are and what to watch out for as the price of Bitcoin looks like it's going to be dropping. Before we get into that, though, we actually have 2 more trade wins now. We are 63 wins, 0 losses after winning our Ape and Doge trades. ApeCoin was actually called out a little bit ago, so congratulations to everyone that held through that. You are now fully in profit, and we've officially won that trade. We also want to thank all of our brand new members right here. Thank you so much for joining our membership. We really look forward to trading with you. And do not miss out right here on the next future forecast coming out tomorrow. You can get access to all of that with the membership at the links in the description down below. With that, let's jump into the Bitcoin video. Looking over here first, the vast majority of the crypto market is in the green today. This is very exciting to see. Only a couple of coins, Algorand and Dogecoin, are in the red. But for the most part, we're actually looking positive. Unfortunately, though, this could be short-lived, and let me show you why. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. We'll go over a couple of different time frames in this video just to show you as much proof as possible. In general, Bitcoin is officially broken out of the falling wedge pattern. This is typically bullish, but we may drop to retest this now structure support before we make any sort of bounces. However, where we currently stand, we're seeing a 58% chance of a drop. I think this is very, very possible, especially when price versus while money flow is in the middle of its chart. It has plenty of room to move either up or down. It hasn't moved much at all as the price has moved mostly sideways. And at this point, this is a somewhat neutral reading, but with trades in favor showing a 58% chance of a drop, it is slightly more bearish. Now that's the 1-day time frame. Let me take you over to the 4-hour. This time frame is a little bit more bleak. Price versus while money flow is much higher on its chart, indicating a much higher likelihood of a drop in the market as they show that they are overbought and begin selling out of the market. Where while money goes, the price is likely to go too, so as they sell out, the price is very likely to drop, and this is confirmed with a trades in favor reading of about 65% chance of a drop. This tells me that we're very likely to see moves down soon, at least to structure support around $28,850. Now, if we go to the 1-week time frame, you'll see yet again 63% chance of a drop, with price versus while money flow fairly high, looking to possibly move up a little bit before a significant drop back down. So all of the readings on multiple time frames are looking bearish today. This definitely is not good news. We know the direction of the price. We're very likely to be heading down at this point. I told you our very first structure support that we're looking at is $28,850. However, I think it could actually be much lower. If we make a copy of this line, we can actually drag it down to the apex of this falling wedge pattern. You'll notice it lines up with quite a bit of structure support back here, and this line sits at $27,593. This is the absolute worst case scenario, and either way, whichever happens, it's still forming a higher low, so it's not that much of a concern long term. I think Bitcoin would still form, again, that higher low before making a new higher high, continuing the huge uptrend that we have going on in the market. This is my ideal circumstance. Honestly, I'd prefer to see a bounce at 28,850, but I think it's possible to drop down that far. I know this is a little bit more bearish than I have been talking recently. New information necessitates new videos, so as we drop here, we can see this is likely to be a drop of about -2 or as far down as -6%. Nothing too crazy, but it is a delay in what I've been looking for. That pump again to right here at $31,862. Even if we drop further than expected, it'll just be all the more glorious when we pump to the upside again. As this plays out, you need to be paying attention to these indicators, especially across multiple time frames. This is how you're going to make sure you win no matter what happens. You can get access to the indicators at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the indicators will be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our pro indicator page. The best possible deal here is to purchase the membership first. This is because all members get a $150 off discount as opposed to non-members only getting $50 off. Even after purchasing the membership, it's actually much cheaper. It's still a much bigger discount than the non-members. So grab that membership, click the link right here to get that coupon code, then click the indicator pack link. From there, just click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. This gives you a full $550 off discount. Absolutely insane. From there, just click add to cart, click pay again, and you're good to go. Now, as the price drops, what you're going to be looking for is for price versus while money flow to be low, Trades in favor to be low, ideally in the long trade zone, and if we get a buy signal at either of these structure supports, that's when we're looking for the next move up in Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking for. That's what you should be looking for too. Of course, none of this is financial advice, and I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.